A very quick one. This is Anybody TV. Welcome back to another amazing video on my YouTube channel. I want to bring this interlink to you guys. I don't know if any of you are already mining this already, and if you have not, let's dive into it as early as possible because they promise to be listening on December 2025 or January 2026. All right, so if you click on the link I'll be leaving on the video description or on the comment section or on my Telegram channel, it will bring you here. You just click on this place that says, if you are using iPhone, Android, click on this place that says Google Play. If you are using iPhone, click on App Store. Right, so I'm using Android. I click on this place that says Google Play, then you take me to Google where I can download this Interlink, because without the Interlink app you can't start mining. All right, so let's wait. So if you click that link, it will bring you here to download it. If you click Google Play, it will bring you here to download the app. All right, so let's wait for the app to finish downloading so we can proceed. Please kindly like this video, share to friends, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so that when I post amazing videos like this, it will notify you and you come and watch and benefit from it. All right. Okay, once you finish installing the app, you click on open to launch the app. All right, so let's launch the app. I will try my best to make this video very short. I'll try to be fast in everything I'm doing here, and the pre-network should be in our favor. All right, allow this, then get started now. Sign up. You know, this is a fresh new account, so let me sign up. Create your Inter ID. I don't understand this Inter ID. Okay, guys, you know I'm new to this app. I haven't done anything here before, so let me put this number and check if this is the ID they are asking me. Let's click on continue. Okay, enter your passcode. All right, I think that should be the ID. Then I just enter my passcode. All right, so your ID should be a 10-digit number. Then enter your 6-digit number ID passcode. Make sure you can remember all of them. All right, enter ID which you can remember, and enter your passcode which you can remember. Then click on continue. Confirm this. I confirm this. Then click on verify you are a human. So let's verify that I'm a human. Guys, make sure you like this video, share to friends, and subscribe as well. Let's wait for it to pop up. Then continue with ID registration. Hit here. Okay. Sign up with Gmail, Facebook, or Telegram. Let's use Gmail. We are using Gmail to sign up here, right? So let's wait for it to come up. Just a little while. Okay, you can see. So I'll bring a lot of email for me to select the one I want to use. I just selected one now, so let's give it a few seconds to load. I think network is kind of bad here because of the rain. The weather here is really bad, guys. The rain dealt with us this place today, but it's all good. It doesn't stop us from making what we want to make. Come up. All right, log in with your new account now. Let's click on OK. Click on OK. You can see the ID we created earlier. This is the ID we created earlier. All right, so let's log in now. Let's log in. Then they're asking for the, okay, let me use fingerprints rather. Okay, confirm passcode. Then log in with the Gmail. I'm logging with, okay, I think let me select Gmail. I told you guys I'm new to this. I haven't done it before, right? I haven't done it before, so I think if you follow this process I'm showing you guys now, everything will never be confusing to you. All right, so confirm passcode. So they are just processing now to log me in. Remember, I have created ID and passcode already, so just to log in now. All right, so let's log in. Okay, we'll just log in now. Click on got it. So this is the interface. They say good evening, clinical, whatever. You can see I have zero ITLG here. I don't have any coin here. For those of you that will be asking if this is a legit or scam project, I don't know yet, because you and I, we are trying this, but I will advise you to dive into it, because we are not imputing any money to. This is not an online investment platform. This is just a mining where you mine and accumulate points. When they list on different XL, which is centralized exchanges, then they can share the token and claim it to their participants. All right. So let's keep on accumulating this Interlink point, or token rather. So let's click on this place that says mine ITIG here to start mining. Let's click on that place that says
كيف تم تشييد أسطول هند؟ لغز نعجز عن تفسيره. هل تقدم
So I paused the video so that the ad can finish running. Okay, I paused the video so that the ad will not take much of our time. Let's click on OK. Check out our burning history. Click on OK. Then you can see scroll down. Coming soon. Okay, coming soon. Verify TGL. Okay, mine ITLG. Let's mine this. We haven't. Okay, we just started mining. Claiming should be every 2 hours or so. Congratulations, you have successfully mined 20 ITFG. Click on done. All right. Oh, next circle in. Oh, it's even 45 minutes. I thought it should be 2 hours. I thought it should be 2 hours. All right, guys. This is how everything works. If they ask you for, if this is the what is it called, the code we are going to use here, use this code to boost your money, because if you use the code of the person that have already, so if they ask you for ID, that ID, the first place, that place I imputed this number, you to put this number there, because if you put this number there, let's say like this now, I'm already mining, but you that is coming new, if you put this number for the first time, they're going to boost your mining. All right, I could have logged out here and create new accounts on how to do this, but I will not do that, so that because I don't want this video to be more than 10 minutes. So it's already 7 minutes or 8 minutes already. So let's do this real quick. If you open it to create account, they ask you for what is it called, ID. All right, this is the ID you put here: 80674726 2363 8067472363. This is the ID you put there. If you put this ID there, it will boost your money to 1500 points. You can see the person that gave me his ID, I didn't use it to log in. That's why I did not get this 1500 points. All right, so you can see I have just 120 points here. So use this ID to log in, to create your own passkey, to create your own ID. Then now create your passcode. The passcode means your 6-digit password. That is what passcode means. So create passcode, then use this as your ID while creating an account. All right, so that is all. Claiming is the next mining circle is 00.40. that is the next 40 minutes. You can come back and claim this again. All right, so that is how this one works. So let's keep accumulating more points, so that when they will list, they will also list on our favor, because if you accumulate more points here, this is simply just paying us this is simply us giving us opportunity to test app. And when the app launches their token, then we will also benefit from it. All right, so maybe like Bitget, Bybit, Mexi, MetaMask, Binance, once they launch on different exchanges, we can also swap and trade, or we can hold if those that we decide to hold. All right, so that's all for today. Make sure you like the video for me, share to friends, subscribe, so that when next I post on some video like this, you will notify and you come and watch and benefit from it. All right, I'll be leaving my Telegram group link on the video description, on the comment section. Do well to join it, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.